Okay, let's go to this place now. This is a Moomin CAFE. The place is decorated with the famous character Moomin. We can buy snacks, beverages, and also Moomin souvenirs. I'm having beef curry with rice. Wow!
Those are. So where did you hear about this from?
It's so yummy.
Was it in the Taipei book?
Dessert is also tasty. And the Moomin stuffy next to my seat is so cute.
How
It's so crunchy and so sweet. I bought spoon. Taipei is cooler than I thought. It's a nice temperature to walk around.